In this video, I will show how to create stock chart in Microsoft Excel. So firstly guys, you need to create this worksheet. So enter the date here, volume, open price, high, low and close price. So you can create a chart for any particular stock. Give a name for any stock. Then select the data, insert, then click here and select stock. You can select any style. Then click on OK. So now you have this chart. You can change the style. So select your data, insert, click here and select the stock. You can select any style from this list. Open high, low, close, high, low, close and volume high, low, close. This is the volume, open high, low, close with all option. You can change the style from here. Once you click on this plus icon, so you can add some more option like data, labels, data table, error bar, trend line. So you can select as your requirement. You can adjust the size for this chart. So thanks for watching.